Hello everyone. In this video, it will be shown how to roll over a 401k to Vanguard. By the way, if you live in the US and you want to save money for your retirement, I have a free gift for you later in the video. To get started, log in to your Vanguard account. If a Vanguard IRA has not yet been opened, the first step is to create the appropriate IRA that will receive the rollover funds. For pre-tax 401k assets, a rollover IRA or traditional IRA is typically used. For Roth 401k assets, a Roth IRA is generally required. If both pre-tax and Roth assets are held in the 401k, separate IRA accounts may be needed. Once the IRA is ready, navigate to Vanguard's rollover section and begin the rollover process. Vanguard will ask for information about the employer-sponsored retirement plan that is being transferred. Next, contact the financial institution or plan administrator that currently holds the 401k. Request a direct rollover to your Vanguard IRA. During this process, the provider may ask for your Vanguard IRA account number and other account details. Some providers may also require a letter of acceptance, which Vanguard can generate during the rollover process. After the request has been submitted, the current plan administrator will process the rollover. In many cases, the funds are sent directly to Vanguard. However, some providers may issue a rollover check instead. If a check is received, follow Vanguard's instructions to deposit it into the designated IRA account. Once the rollover funds arrive at Vanguard, they are typically deposited into the IRA's settlement fund. At this stage, the money has been successfully transferred, but it may not yet be invested. Review the available investment options and select the funds, ETFs, or other investments that best fit your retirement goals. After the investments have been selected and the transactions have been completed, the rollover process is finished. The retirement savings will now be held within the Vanguard IRA, allowing the account to be managed alongside any other Vanguard investments. And that's all there is to it. Also, these days, many Americans are looking for alternatives to traditional retirement accounts. But did you know you can legally buy physical gold coins as part of your retirement savings? It's called a gold IRA, and most people don't even know about it. If you want to learn how it works, I've linked a free guide from Augusta Precious Metals in the description below. It's packed with lots of useful information, so check it out. If you want to learn more about Augusta Precious Metals and how they can help you set up a gold IRA, there's a detailed review that goes over everything you need to know. The video should be up on your screen right now, so just click it to start watching.